Class 101. Come on, guys. Come to class. I don't have any roll calls right now, so you know you have homework to do. And I only got one student that's participating, and that's Tata G. So I need more students. Okay, so here I have some catfish fillets. And I've already seasoned one side. You cannot season the other side because it don't like it. It wants to be, you know, loved on both sides. And I'm using my chicken rub. So I just have one here to just to let you show what I do. And in my skillet, cast iron skillet, what I have is olive oil. And I think I've got maybe about a third cup of olive oil. Alright. And you kind of just want to let that marinate just a little bit. Alright, so we're going to come over here to the skillet here. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so I have my oil hot. I am going to use Kerrygo. Well, how do you say this? Plurger? Butter.
Plug-rye?
Plug-rye. Butter. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. I may have more than a third cup. I may have a half a cup of olive oil. Turn my fire up a little more. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the fleshy side down. And you're going to cook these for maybe about 10 minutes. Okay? So when I reach 10 minutes, then I'll come back. Guys, I'm back. I didn't tell you the cut of fillet that I had, if I did. It's catfish fillet. You don't have to use catfish fillet. You can use cod or whatever your favorite fish is. Okay? So, this is how it looks. See it? Alright. Alright, I'm going to finish cooking these up. And I'll be back with the next step. Guys, I'm back with the next step. I have another pot here. I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I have 1 red bell pepper and my jalapeno carves. You caught that. You did. Thank you. So I'm going to put that in here. After I get popped in the face with it. I have 1 medium onion slice. I have some mushrooms that I basically rinsed off, which I ate. And I don't think I'm going to use this whole thing.
Why not? I like mushrooms. Thank you.
Use the whole thing.
I love you too, Mama.
Mm-hmm. And so you just want to saute these up. And I'll probably add some pepper because I like to see my seasonings. Black pepper. And I'll probably sneeze. Okay, so you just want this to cook down. And I have my platter.
You should probably start that over.
Catfish. This is how it looks. And I got a little juice in here. And I'm going to put that in there to add more flavor.
Harry, you look perplexed.
So you just want to saute these. Now you don't want them really, really limpy. You want them crisp just a little bit. See those colors? Isn't it pretty? Now, I created this dish, guys. So, I created it. It's the one and only. Okay, it's the peppers. The one and only. It's the one and only right now until other YouTubers see it. And y'all know who I'm talking about. I ain't calling no names because, boy, my copycatters are growing in numbers. They're also growing in numbers in subscribers, and I'm not. I don't get it, but
I don't think the fact that they copy. It's, you know, just see where you got it from. We're not saying that, you know, you own the rights to this dish. Nobody else can make it.
I do own the rights to this dish because I created it.
Gosh, Mom, that's so Leo of you.
So, I'm sorry.
Just at least get some credit there. It'd be nice.
Yeah.
That's what I always say. It'd be nice.
Mm-hmm. Like the woman that I did the cheese, queso fresco. I totally gave her credit. Because like I said, it wasn't my recipe. And that cheese was so good. And guys, YouTube is a great big old world out here. It doesn't hurt to subscribe to your favorite chefs or your favorite blogger or your favorite makeup artist. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. But then when you start to subscribe, because you subscribe to another channel, then you come back and you want to bash the other one. That's not right. That's not right at all. Okay, so you just want to saute these out. And I'm ranting a little bit.
Well, I would say what else is new, but it isn't.
So go to my Instagram page at Carliss Spices and enter into the giveaway. You have homework. Let me know you were here. Raise your hand and say I'm here. And then the next class session, I would do roll call. Okay, look how pretty that looks. Now I could stop it right here. It all depends on Miss Smarty Pants' Smarty Arty because she's here. I could stop it right here, or I can add some gravy to it.
I like gravy.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with gravy.
Okay, Forrest Gump. Alright, so I knew she was going to say gravy because I have some flour here.
Well, you know this, man, so I didn't even ask.
I don't know, man. So you just want to...
I like gravy with everything.
She does. Okay. You want to mix up the flour. And guys, trust and believe. I used to make gravy with water. My mother used to make gravy with water. I thought that was the blandest crap I ever tasted. It tastes weird because it tastes like water. And the only thing that's seasoned is what you cooked it in, and that was fine, but it's just awful. I always do my gravy with either chicken bouillon, broth, or milk. No, I'm using chicken broth. Okay, so now that I think my flour is kind of cooked down, I have my better than bouillon broth in here. And I'm just going to start pouring in here. And you want to know why I didn't add any seasoning? Because of the chicken broth.
This makes some pretty good gravy.
It does.
Should tell you need to be sponsored.
I know, better than bouillon. What's going on with y'all? Matter of fact, what's the name of the company? Let's see. Southeastern Meal. Yeah. Yeah, I need to be sponsored by y'all as much as I telling people about better than bouillon.
If y'all have a shortage of better than bouillon this Thanksgiving, you have one person to blame.
Because I done went and bought it all. Alright. So you just want to let this cook down just a little bit, and that'll finish cooking up that the mushrooms. And if you feel it's not quite enough, then go ahead and add just a little more flour to it on top, not in the water,
Why not in the water?
because it'll start lumping.
Oh, that's why that happened.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. There ain't nothing wrong with a little greedy dumplings.
All right. All right, I'm gonna let this cook some more. Turn my fire up a little more. You don't have to use jalapeno. That's my signature, is jalapenos. And I wanted to see how many people miss me using jalapenos, and Carliss, that lets me know he was paying attention.
That lets you know how long he been around here.
Yeah, he's been with me for a while.
And don't none of y'all try and go in the comments and be like, I noticed I didn't say anything. Stop lying.
And on my homework assignment, some of you guys said you don't have Instagram. I don't know how to do Instagram. Miss Marty Pants had to do Instagram for me a long time ago. And it's easy and it's free, she says. It's easy and it's free.
You just go on your phone and then you go to the app section, type in Instagram, install it, sign up, and then you can sign up with Facebook and boom, pow, wow, you got a page. That's it.
Mm-hmm. All right, so what I used maybe about, I had 3 cups here. I only used a cup of the chicken bouillon. So like I said, this is my own creation. I thought of this, pictured it in my mind, tasted it in my mouth. And there we go. Now they don't need to be a thick gravy. Just about like that. I don't know if you can see the consistency. Just like that. Okay? Okay guys, so we get ready to plate this up together. I have my filet catfish right here. I made some mashed potatoes. Made the mash right here. Kind of smash it out if you can. Alright. And then we're going to take my mushroom salsa gravy. That's what I'm calling it, mushroom salsa gravy. We'll just put it on top. That's more color. And then I'm going to take that spoon. Smush that in. some more gravy on top. Clean up, make it presentable, because I can't stand that. And clean paper towel. Okay. And here I have some Texas toast, garlic toast, right here. You guys tell me what you think about this. Should I put more gravy? Or should I put more topping, the mushroom salsa topping on the mashed potatoes? You tell me what I think about it. What you think about it. I know what I think about it. Tell me what you think about it. So here it is. And tell me how much you would pay for this. I know how much I would pay for it. Well, of course I made it.
Don't you think they need a closer look?
Okay, here it is. Yum.
Without you, Mom, just put it on the board. We gonna bring y'all in for a closer
Alright guys,
look.
so here is my own creation, the catfish smothered with the mushroom, the onions, the jalapenos, and the red bell pepper. I made some homemade mashed potatoes and the Texas garlic bread. I actually bought that at the store, so it's really good. And you know, I season it with my chicken bouillon. You get that at www.
Your chicken bouillon.
I mean my chicken rub. You get it at www.carlissspices.com. So let me know what y'all think about it. Alright. See you later. Bye.